Good day, everyone. Learn how to enable cookies in Google Chrome, and I'll tell you the easiest way to enable cookies in your Google Chrome browser. So open your Google Chrome browser, and at the very top, where you see the three dots at the top right corner, click on that, and then go to Settings. Right here, you will find the second last option is settings. We will click on that and you will find a window like this where you have a lot of options like privacy, performance, like this. Now here we need to go to this privacy and security, and then we will scroll down and we will go to this third party cookies. Click on that, and here you can select block or allow third party cookies like this. Sites can use cookies to improve your browsing experience. So I have enabled the third party cookies from here, and you can do that. You can enable, or you can simply disable, like block the third party cookies. All right. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.